Good afternoon, all of you. Dear students, how are you? Fine? Okay. Today we will discuss about the topic mentioned at page number 5 of your GK book, Kidways. So, please take out page number 5 of your book. The heading of the page is Values are invaluable. It indicates that values make our life worth living. The values help us to interact in the family, in the society properly and lead a healthy and happy life. In this page, the information is given about different values on the right side, on the left side, and on the right side of the page, name of that value is mentioned, but in jumbled way. So we have to unjumble the letters and find the correct name of that value. First one is, you give your old books, pens, pencils and school bag to a poor student living near your house. The name of the value is kindness. Kindness. Second, along with other students of your school, you visit an old people's home and give gifts to the old people staying there. The name of the value is empathy. Empathy. Third one, for the school competition, you design a beautiful poster highlighting the theme, say no to child labor. Here, the name of the skill is creativity. Creativity. Fourth one, there is a fight between two of your friends. You pacify them and encourage them to be friendly. The skill involved is problem solving. Problem solving skill is explained here Next, during the examination, your friend asks you to see his answers and copy them in your answer sheet, but you refuse. The value explained here is honesty. Honesty is the value explained here. Sixth, you, along with other students, decorate your class display board here. The value explained is cooperation. Cooperation. Next, your teacher is absent, but you manage the class and ask your friends to maintain self-control and do their learning work. Name of the value explained here is discipline. Discipline. Eighth, you lead a rally around the school area to spread awareness about planting trees and caring for the environment. The name of the value explained here is leadership. Here the skill explained is leadership. Ninth, along with your friends, you clean up your classroom, school library and corridors and make them spick and span. The value explained here is cleanliness. Cleanliness. Last, you make a timetable and devote regular time to study each and every subject. And the name of the value is time management. Time management. So, dear students, there are some values which we all should imbibe to live a happy and healthy life. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.